Actually, but you also see your fine wife. You I know what I could do. Some MPB I know your wife will this. I go take your wife, give her. Make you socket me the money. You go see. You know they deserve your wife.
Who know they deserve who? My wife know they deserve me, or I know they deserve my wife. See, say it again.
You don't need a fool.
Hey! Aponsa, but why are you scared? Huh? You know Buju here is just kidding. See the way you hit my chest. Why are you pushing my husband like that? Oh. And take your time now because
you people they still say the concert are the my money they can't take.
You
I know what I will do. Next time come knock my window, see you search condom. Next time come knock my window. That girl way, that fish seller way, you go. Next time I will sell the condom.
Aponsa, you be going to Buju for condom.
You said what?
Buju, come back. I need the MP's number. If you can go for condom, me too, I can go for MP's number for Buju.
Stop that.
Hey, Aponsa. Oh. So you are here telling me you love me. Even the last time Cardi B called me, you told Cardi B you love me, not only it was a lie.
Yes, you see, you let's call Cardi B. She will tell you Offset has been cheating.
Offset doesn't cheat on Cardi B. You.
Cheating
Would you come back now? I need the contact. I'm going for the contact because you've been going for condom.
MP, we have time, so you can go for some MP.
You can go for condom. Let's go inside. Whatever you've been using the condom for, you will use it on me today. Let's go. Go on, enter inside. No.